When searching for the right personal injury attorney, keep these important things in mind. Being a victim of an accident can be an emotionally devastating time, especially if you receive serious injuries. If you have determined that your accident was the result of negligence and you want to take legal action, a good personal injury attorney will guide you through the process and get you compensated fairly. The following are 3 vital tips to help you find a personal injury attorney that is right for you. 1. Personal injury laws vary greatly by location. Be sure to select an injury attorney who knows the local laws. 2. Save time and fees. Make sure to be prepared to present your attorney with all related documentation, such as police reports or any correspondence with insurance companies. 3. Always ask if they have online testimonials or positive reviews they could direct you to. There's more you should know about choosing the right personal injury attorney. The information we provide could save you time and money. Just visit our website or call us today.